Freshen up in fruity, fierce and unapologetically fabulous suds. Don't mind if I do. Just all inhibitions and whatever have gone out the window and I'm just like, whee! Banana! Hi guys, so for today's video we're going to be taking a little look at April's, is it April? I think it's April. April's Lush kitchen box. I can't keep up recently, honestly. I have it here. Lush have Lush have kindly sent me this one and I'm so happy and so grateful. I'm going to be also getting next month's and the months after as well. So thank you, big thank you to Lush. You are very kind people. So yeah, let's see what it is. I think it's the regular box, the kitchen box, the bath box. Yeah. I can't tell. Is this the XL? Oh, I don't know. Let's have a look. I don't know what box this is. Oh, it is! Oh! It's the XL! Oh, I have a lucky little duckaroni, aren't I? Oh, thanks, guys. I'm so grateful. I want a lipstick on my teeth. I do. I have lipstick on my teeth. It's the XL. Jazz hands. I'm so very happy. I think it should be. Oh, it's so cool. How adorable is this? I've heard, a lot of people got their box yesterday and I have seen spoilers on Instagram. I just can't avoid it. I'm always on Instagram. People are saying it's very good. So I'm very excited. It's a little banana-y, tropically themed, coconutty box by the looks of it. It says wash on the wild side. I can't vividly remember the scents from the spoilers that I did, but I will find them out as we go along. And yeah, let's have a look. Oh, well. Oh, I'm so grateful it is the XO, isn't this great? What should we start with? Right, we're going in the order. We like to do the order now, don't we? So let's start off with Chameleon Bubble Bar. Oh, he's a weighty little guy. He's so cute. That's what he looks like. There is a dog squealing outside. What is that woman doing? Oh, okay, I think the dog's fine. I think he's just a new puppy and he's barking at another dog. I thought I was like really panicking then. I was about to leg it outside. I thought she was hurting him. I think, yeah, you looked okay. I was just, because there's bushes outside the front, so I couldn't see behind the bushes. I was waiting for them to walk past the gates. He's fine. He's just a puppy by the looks of it. Okay, we're fine. We don't have to go beat someone up. I'm joking. Right, so first off, we'll just list what we've got in here. So you've got orange flower in there, jasmine, cream of tartar. Ooh. Oh, that's a really nice scent for spring. He's quite mild, but he's a bit green. He's really reminding me of something. He's very good. Let me try and find out what scent he is. My son's at his grandparents. He's got his grandma's got him a new ball. He's loving it. So cute. Why isn't it like, oh, you get a free day, don't you? And then I just sit here like looking at videos of him and photos and like, oh, I miss him so much. But he's having fun and I can film some videos, so yay. Oh, I'm gonna cry. What's wrong with me? Ugh. It feels a little bit green, a little bit fruity, and like a little bit floral as well, but really like nice. Like, you know me, I'm not like big on florals. They have to like wow me, but oh, I love that. I do like that. It's very fresh. It's nice. I'm excited to try that. This, like, you can tell this is really fresh as well. Like, look at that, just all packed together. Doesn't that just visually make you happy? I like that. Very good. Right, this next one is exciting. It's the shower gel. It's the Fantabulosa shower gel. Have I got a smudge on my lens? I better not have. The Fantabulosa shower gel. So this says, are you the type that likes to stand out from the crowd, say no more? Freshen up in fruity, fierce and unapologetically fabulous suds. Don't mind if I do. Looks beautiful. I love it when they do these like, oh, you're not gonna be able to see it, are you? These like see-through, really jellified looking colours. Can you see? Yeah. Oh, just beautiful. How can I show you? There we go. Can you see? It's like a liquid amber nectar. Beautiful. Let's give it a whiff. You've got chamomile blue oil in here. You've got labdanum, oak moss, violet leaf, seaweed extract. Oh, I saw Jamie's story last night. Lush box, you know, I always shout him out. I love him. It's orange in the bottle and then it's pink when you squirt it out. Oh, that's so exciting. I'll squirt some out in a sec. Let's give it a sniff first. Oh, that's like, oh my God, let me put some on my hand first. Let's show you the pink and then that smells really, really good though. This is gonna be amazing, what the hell? That's amazing. It's like neon pink. That is so thick. Oh, that is thick. That is the most beautiful colour of a shower gel I've ever seen in my life. How sensational is that? That's amazing. Do you know what that reminds me of? It's, this is gonna sound like the most random concoction, but I'm really enjoying it. It sort of smells a little bit like jelly beans mixed with tramp. I like it. I can really smell a tramp essence in that. Tramp from Lush is just a really green, mossy, gorgeous scent. It's probably one of the only mossy green scents from Lush that I like. I love tramp. Tramp is my favourite. It's got a little bit of a slight aftershaviness to it as well. Oh, just beautiful. I can't believe the colour of that. That is amazing. It's like a neon glow stick. You can smell some banana in there as well. Maybe that's what I'm getting the jelly bean from. It smells a bit bubblegummy, jelly bean, banana-y, and then it has an earthiness to it as well, like tramp. That's unique, but really nice. I'm very excited to use that. I can't believe how stunning that is, like colour-wise. That is really cool. I'm very excited to try that in the shower. I think that is going to be really quite pungent and strong. Like, how do they do that? How do they do that? No, like, I need to know. Does anyone know the science behind this? How do they do that? The bottle's not coloured, is it? No. Okie dokie. What are we doing now? Banana Moon soap. Now, Banana Moon soap. We had this soap. It was at the event we went to in Poole, the Superfans event. They had it in the Fresh pop-up shop there. I do remember smelling it, and I don't think I liked it, but we're going to smell it again. We were in a shop full of other bits and bobs as well, so I might not have been getting a true representation of it. This is very fresh and soft, and the packing peanuts have gone all over it. Try and get all that off. I've got an end piece, very nice. Oh, nearly Charlie, nearly smashed it up. Only a little bit. I can smell it, I think I like it. Hang on. Beautiful. I do like it. Why did I not like it in the shop? Maybe I was smelling something else. That's gorgeous. This smells like the Bananas For You Bubble Rune that they brought out for Valentine's Day. That's blooming gorgeous. I must have been smelling a different soap, or maybe it was just all merging together, because that's stunning, stunning. It's a natural banana scent as opposed to like your false banana. It doesn't smell like the Minion shower gel, doesn't smell like your banana conditioner. Doesn't smell like your Banoffee Pie shower gel. It smells very natural banana-y scent. Yeah, it's exactly like the Bananas For You Bubble Rune. So if you enjoyed that from Valentine's, I can't be out of breath there all of a sudden, I can't breathe. So if you enjoyed the Bananas For You Bubble Rune from Valentine's Day, you're very much like this. Oh, I really like this. I feel like if I got a bit of a bigger trunk as well, because it's an end piece. That's beautiful. Well, this is going swimmingly so far, isn't it? Also, just because I got sent these, I will tell you my honest opinion. I think you guys know me well enough by now that I'll always tell you the truth if I don't like something. Next up, we've got Chicky Monkey Bath Bomb. Fun fact, my mum, my nickname, well, my whole family actually, my nickname was Monkey when I was growing up, because I looked like a little baby monkey when I was born, apparently. So I've always been Charlie Monkey. Here we go. Right, don't know why I thought I'll tell you that, but I'll tell you that. I'm in a very funny mood today. I think it's because I've got the day to myself. I've just filmed 2 videos before this. I filmed a wild video and I filmed another Lush video. And this is my 3rd video, and I feel like I've just, all inhibitions and whatever, I've gone out the window and I'm just like, whee! So, I've got a Little monkey. So in here we've got cocoa butter, cream of tartar, vanilla extract, tonka seed extract. Oh, this is going to be delicious. Almond oil. Oh, it's going to be sensational. I know this is because I remember from Jamie's story. This is the Minion shower gel scent. Oh, banana. Good God, that is stunning. The Minions shower gel scent is more of like a falsy, foamy banana scent. It's really gorgeous. Really gorgeous. Like I think banana scents are quite difficult to achieve. So the fact that Lush have pretty much finessed it with the Minion shower gel and with their banana conditioner, I think they've done a fantastic job. That's gorgeous. That is gorgeous. After this video, I've got quite a bit to do. I need to go and take some clothes to the clothes bank at the shop because they emptied it. Like, we have a clothes bank like close to our house because we've got a co-op right next to it. It's always overflowing, always. There's bin bags piled outside and everything. And I am not the kind of person that's going to dump a bin bag outside. I need to wait for it to be empty so it's like safely in there. I don't want to dump a bin bag. And I saw that they'd emptied it last night, so I'm going to leg it down there because I've got some of Rudy's old clothes to pop in there. So I'm going to do that, and I think I'm going to get myself a little treat from the shop. I think I might get something tasty to eat for my lunch. I'm going to get an iced coffee. I'm going to come home, I'll start editing, then once I've eaten I'll probably hop in the bath and carry on editing. I don't know, I feel the need to tell you that, just let me want to know. And I'm going to use this, most definitely. Ooh. Ooh. Next we've got Amazonian shower jelly. So this says, big, bold and beautiful, grounding patchouli and uplifting ylang ylang oils. Ensure you're left feeling confident and in charge. Now go out and get them. Now this, I have smelled this scent, I believe. We had, if it's the same one, which I think it is, we had the Amazonian massage bar again at that event that we went to. Massage bar? Yes, massage bar. We didn't make the whole massage bar. We dipped a leaf in some wax and popped it on the top and some oil, and it was just, a cute thing. We sort of helped make it. So I think I have smelled it. Yes, I have. Not my favourite scent. Not my favourite scent. It's not as strong as the massage bar though, I will say. I don't know actually, that was quite... I don't mind that actually. It's very, very... In the massage bar, it was extremely floral and quite strong, and I think it was overpowering me a little bit, but it seems a little bit more mild at this, and it seems like there's some sort of like orange or something going on in there, some sort of citrus, is there? Let's have a look. I'll get it out for you in a sec. Indeed there is. Indeed there is orange in there. First thing on the list, we've got fresh tangerine juice. Excellent. You've got carrageenan in that, you've got tangerine oil. Oh god, there's loads of orange in there. Patchouli, ylang ylang, orange flower extract, orange blossom extract, and gardenia extract. I think I found the massage bar quite overpowering florally, but I can smell a lot more orange in this, which I'm actually liking, which is great. I didn't think I was going to like this. Nice. Don't get me wrong, it is still very strong with floral, but I can smell the orange a lot more in there than I could the massage bar. I like that a lot. Fun. It's been a while since I've just had a jelly that looks like this as well. It's not like shaped or anything. A nice little plain, cute little jelly. I like that. I'm happy with that. That was quite a surprise. Excellent, excellent, excellent. This box is going better, I think, than any box I've had. Let's hope the other two are good. I was a bit dubious when people were saying this was good. I was like, oh, usually when other people say it's good, I don't like it. But this is going quite well. What's next on the list? Oh, yes. King Coconut Body Butter. I'm very excited for this. Oh, my spit it out, Charlie, God. My bath bomb and bubble bar have gone on it a little bit, if you can see. So let's try and get that off. Oh, this box is really good. Goodness gracious, that's nice. So in here you've got obviously loads of butters. You've got cocoa, shea. You've got fresh banana in there, which you can absolutely smell. Fresh avocado, coconut oil, also nourishing. Almond oil, jojoba, jojoba. So I always say jojoba. I know it's jojoba. Jojoba. That's just how I say it. Styrax resinoid, vetiver, benzoin, coconut, oatmeal. This is actually great because a lot of times when vetiver is and stuff, I don't care for it, but I'd really like this. Oh, there's a delivery man coming down my path. Please don't knock the door and make me answer it, please. I should do a point of view out the window. You guys can just watch people come down my path. Okay, he didn't knock the door, that's good. This is really nice. It's a little bit on the earthy side, but it also has a lot of banana in there, you can tell, and it's very creamy, vanilla-y smelling from all the butters that are in there. There is a slight earthy edge to it though. It's like an earthy banana, but I'm here for that. I'm really excited. It feels very melty as well, so that's just gonna glide on. I would definitely use that in my bath. I'm just gonna use it all, I think. Yeah, let's use it all. That's really nice. I really like that. Then last of all, we've got Rainforest Co-mingle, Catch exclusive body scrub. What have we got in here then? So there is a hell of a lot in here. So bamboo stem extract, Tagua nut powder, Tagua nut powder, almond oil, Brazil nut oil, cedar wood, argan oil, cypress oil, vetiver oil, ylang ylang, carrageenan, cocoa butter, passion fruit, gardenia, vanilla pods. You've got absolutely loads in there. Let's have a look. Oh, I love the texture of these. Just stunning. So it's like a whipped texture. Oh no. Oh, Charlie. Right, I've just cleaned that off. You're gonna have to bear with me if it's a bit blurry. I can't actually really see very well. Fingers crossed it's not blurry. I mean, we've not got a lot of the video left, so that's fine. Ooh. So this is jungle scented. It's very green and earthy and mossy. It smells a bit like Guardian of the Forest. They're not the same scent, are they? But it does smell quite similar. I'm not usually, like I said at the beginning, I'm not usually a green scent fan. If you are a green scent fan, I think this will just absolutely fill you with joy. I don't actually mind it though. I thought I would be not a big fan of this at all, but I don't mind that. And for spring, I don't mind these scents as much. So we'll give that one a go. But yeah, like I said, if you're a big green fan, you'll be all over that. But I don't mind it, it's not too bad. I have that. That was a blooming fantastic box, I will say. Very impressed with that, very, very. Yeah, I really like it, really like it. This is so unique. God, crazy, so good. Yeah, big fan. I really like that. This is well up there. Actually, this is as well. I like that. Oh, it's raining. I like that a lot more than I thought I would. So those two I think are my favourite. But this is, I like it all. This is also very nice as well. Oh, that is so good. They're missing out. They need to make a bath bomb. Oh no, we had the Minions bath bomb, didn't we? Is that still available? I don't know. If it's not, Lush, bring that scent back in a lot more things because it's so good. Oh my God, imagine a body spray of that scent, the Minion scent. Could they do that? Or is that hard? I feel like that might be quite hard. I think Posh Chocolate is a hard one for them to make, I think, from what I've heard. Through the grapevine. I feel like that would be hard to make in a body spray, but if you could, I think I would make a killing. Very pleased with that box. Have you guys got your box yet? If so, do let me know what you think of it. What is your favourite? Are you happy with it? Are you unhappy? How do you feel about it all? I'm very chuffed with that, I will say. Yeah, really happy. If I had to pick a least favourite, because we always do, it would be this, but I still like it. It's still gonna get used. So yeah, I'm very happy with that box. Really, really happy. Like I said, let me know your guys' thoughts, what you think, and I really hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you soon.